Be careful how your eyes fall on other pilgrims. Just like you are the special beloved guest of Ar-Rahman, the All-Merciful, so are the other people in Hajj. Be very careful not to show them looks of annoyance nor jostle them in lines. Prefer others over yourself and suffer the periodic difficulties of sharing the manasik with millions of your closest brothers and sisters, and do it with grace. If you suffer deprivation, whether it be a water bottle, the coveted space under the AC in the tent, the comfortable place where you can sit in a bus, or really any other place, know that Allah Ta'ala saved for you a better place in Jannah. Know that Allah Ta'ala saved for you a better drink from the wine of Jannah. Know that Allah Ta'ala saved for you a throne and a sofa for you to recline while enjoying the company of His awliya and a glimpse of Him without any hijab between you and Him in Jannah. To look at another pilgrim with contempt is a sign of being spiritually deprived by Allah Ta'ala, and we seek His refuge. They may seem uncouth and annoying at times, maybe not even a very good Muslim to you, but be warned, your assessment of them means nothing as long as Allah Ta'ala loves them. And the fact that they're there with you in the sacred lands is enough of a warning for you not to take the matter lightly. It is normal to get annoyed. If nothing else, just remind yourself to behave gracefully at such a point. This itself is a great sign of taqwa inside of the heart. Rather than greet all of them, rather than being annoyed with all of them, I should say, greet them with smiles and offer to help them. Offer them money if you feel like it's appropriate and they may need it, even if it's just a token amount of money, just to show your love, and ask them of their prayers. Remember, if Allah accepts from one of us, He accepts from all of us. May He accept from us all. And it's important. It's important to know. Like, you may see people doing certain things that are really untoward. You may see someone in ihram, like smoking a cigarette or something like that. Look, not everybody has the same tarbiyah. Not everybody has the same education. Not everybody has had the same experiences and common sense in life. Not everybody has the same faculties in life. Maybe that person has very little, but what they have, they're bringing all of it for Allah, and Allah will accept from them. And Allah gave us a lot, and what we're bringing is very little compared to what He's given us. And we fear that Allah Ta'ala not accept from us if it wasn't for these other people that are there with us that we may think not much of, but Allah Ta'ala loves. So just be very careful how you deal with other people. Be very careful how you deal with other people. Don't say anything bad. Don't complain about them, neither on your tongue or out loud or in your text messages or in your Facebook posts or Instagram, Twitter, whatever posts, nor in your heart. Rather say, this is the guest of Ar-Rahman, and because of my love of Allah Ta'ala, I love these people as well. And inshallah, these are just a couple of days. Inshallah, they will pass. And you'll see great good will come from it. And your patience with such people, you will not regret it. Rather, you'll be proud of it, both in this world and in the hereafter. May Allah Ta'ala accept.